Hey guys, welcome back to my so-called mom life. So I had a PTA event and I had to make overnight steel oats in my crock pot. Now, as a reminder, I was told to put a liner in, and of course I forgot. So a friend of mine told me to try a trick, and that is what I'm going to try. Stay tuned. All right, so here's the crock pot. It was definitely filthy. You can actually see how caked on it is, and that is pretty much all the way through to the bottom. Now, there's hot water in there only, and here is the trick. A dryer sheet to be placed in the crock pot. Supposedly, leaving that in there for an hour or more, letting it sit and dissolve, and then cleaning it is supposed to be super easy. So I am going to give it a try. I'll let you know how it goes. All right, guys, so this has sat overnight, and it kind of looks like some of it is separating away. So I am going to see how this goes, and I'll let you know. So this is what I will say. It definitely helped take some of it off, but as you can see, the actual baked on oatmeal is not coming off with just a wipe. But it did take out a lot of the oatmeal that was stuck to the sides. So I will say it's kind of half true, half not. Some of this is going to take a little bit more scrubbing and maybe some dish soap overnight. We'll try that and see what happens. But it did get the oatmeal off, so I would say it's half of a win. So definitely try it. Let me know what other things you use it for and if it works. Can't wait to hear from you guys. All right, guys, so as you see, sometimes regular household items can be used for more than what meets the eye. So not only is Bounce good for, obviously, the laundry, but it can also be good for crock pots. Who knew? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Hit the notification bell for future content. And as always, I hope you're having a great day. Thanks, guys.